Hi everyone, welcome to Fit Me Recipes. Let's make super healthy and delicious energy laddus. These laddus just take 15 minutes to make, so let's get to the recipe. First, add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or ghee, then add cashews, almonds, walnuts about 4 to 5 and add some pumpkin seeds, melon seeds. Now roast them on low flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. This enhances the flavor as well as make them more easier to assimilate by reducing the content of phytates. As phytates are nutrient inhibitor, it's ideal to roast the nuts before using. Turn off the flame and transfer these roasted nuts to a plate. Transfer immediately so that they do not burn from the heat of the kadai. Next, in the same kadai, I am adding seedless dates around 10 to 9. Add anjeer or figs and cook them for about 5 minutes. Make sure that you stir continuously to prevent it from stick to the bottom of the pan. It's very important to add dates and figs in our diet. Then transfer it into the same plate of nuts. Once the mixture is slightly cool, it's time to add some flavor. For flavor, you can add saffron, cinnamon, or any other thing, but today I am using cardamom powder, also known as choti ilaichi powder. Add fresh coconut for its incredible health benefits and for easy binding of the laddus. Now it's time to transfer this mixture into a blender or a food processor. Make sure that you coarsely ground this mixture. Do not over blend it as we want a slightly crunchy texture to our laddus. Now cover and grind. Once grind, transfer it into a plate and it's time to make laddus. Take a small portion and roll it into the shape of laddus. As dates are rich in fiber and natural sugar, they give you a energy boost within yourself. You feel a difference when you eat this laddu. These laddus are not only tasty but they are also packed with various nutrients like healthy fats, omega 3, omega 6, protein, fiber, minerals, vitamins, and essential complex carbohydrates. And please do like this video if you come to the end of this, and if you loved what I share, you can subscribe to my channel for more such healthy recipes. And so let me know in the comments below how you like this recipe and what other healthy treat would you like to see next. Till then, bye bye. My name is Sharon. Thanks for watching.